So, Vende is ang nagpangalan ng Vende is yung co-founder namin. Sa Chabacano kasi yung language ng Zamboanga
Na medyo halong Spanish.
na medyo may Spanish, like Bende is parang magbebenta.
Benta,
Bende
yes.
kita meaning magbebenta tayo. Parang
Okay.
ganun.
Oo.
So, inano lang natin na V
Oo.
kasi sa Spanish ata V yung Vende
Yes,
na
oo.
ano lang nahaluan lang kaya naging Bende. So Vende means to sell or sell. Kasi this system is syempre enterprise resource planning just like any ERP meant siya for the enterprises. This one po para siya sa MSMEs. So ano siya? ERP system with artificial intelligence pero for MSMEs kasi 'di ba kailangan ng MSMEs natin ng help and everything, backbone of the the country.
99.7 or
99.5
5.5% of
businesses
businesses in the
Philippines.
Philippines are MSMEs.
Yes, and syempre they need help. There was a time nung college ako, which is around many decades ago. Yung ERP is for big companies lang,
Actually,
'di ba?
yes,
Dati
yes,
parang kapag may ERP ka, social ka na talaga. Pero yun na nga, we're bringing ERP dun sa MSMEs para to help them compete, to grow, ganun.